What if I told you that you could start working on your belly fat without stepping foot in a gym and without a single expensive piece of equipment? All you need is a floor, a mat, and about 10 minutes. That's right. Today I'm going to show you 5 simple yet powerful floor exercises that target your core, burn calories, and help tone that stubborn midsection. These moves are perfect for beginners, but trust me, your abs will feel the burn. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Crunches. Crunches are a classic, and for good reason. They directly engage your abdominal muscles and help strengthen your core. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands lightly behind your head, elbows pointing outward. As you exhale, lift your upper body toward your knees using only your abs. Avoid pulling on your neck. Hold the squeeze for a second at the top, then inhale as you slowly lower back down. Do 3 sets of 15-20 reps, focusing on slow, controlled movements. Remember, quality over quantity. Exercise 2. Leg raises. This one targets the lower abs, a stubborn area for many people. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and arms at your sides. Keeping your legs straight, lift them up toward the ceiling until your hips are slightly off the ground. Slowly lower your legs back down, stopping just before your heels touch the floor. Aim for 3 sets of 10-15 reps, keeping your lower back pressed into the mat to avoid strain. Exercise 3. Russian twists. Russian twists are amazing for toning your obliques, the muscles that give your waist definition. Sit on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight. Hold your hands together and twist your torso to the right, tapping the mat beside your hip. Then twist to the left. To make it more challenging, lift your feet off the floor or hold a small weight. Do 3 sets of 20 twists. That's 10 per side while keeping your movements controlled. Exercise 4. Plank. Planks are the ultimate full core workout. They target your abs, obliques, and lower back all at once. Get into a forearm plank position. Elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, keep your hips level, and don't let your back sag. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds, rest, then repeat for 3 sets. If you want a challenge, try side planks for extra oblique engagement. Exercise 5. Bicycle crunches. This move combines crunching and twisting for maximum ab activation. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, knees lifted and bent at 90 degrees. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee while straightening your right leg. Switch sides in a pedaling motion. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps per side, moving slowly to keep your abs engaged throughout. And that's it. 5 effective floor exercises that you can do anywhere to strengthen your core and help reduce belly fat. Remember, spot reduction isn't magic. These moves work best when combined with regular cardio, a balanced diet, and staying hydrated. Try doing this routine 3 to 4 times per week, and you'll notice not just a tighter midsection, but improved posture, stability, and overall fitness. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy home workouts, and drop a comment below letting me know which exercise was your favorite or which one made you feel the burn the most. Until next time, stay healthy, keep moving, and take care of that amazing body of yours.